when I came back from California 2 weeks ago, I ended up sick. Didn't have COVID.
Okay.
I took the home test, they were negative, but took a PCR test and it was still negative. So that cleared up. But so now what I have is just a tight chest. It's been that way for like the last 2 weeks.
Okay.
The
She's
needle's still
had
today.
surgery a couple years ago, so little scars and stuff. So I like to needle around that area, just kind of keep energy moving and help with the numbness and digestion. So, all right, ready? So move up here. So I like those going first, partially because they activate meridians that don't have their own acupuncture points. So this one gets those revved up. Plus it helps immune system, lung health, and I like that energy going first. I basically start feet up because most people are up in their heads. So this kind of brings energy down and get a better balance and flow. Every acupuncturist is a little different, and that's a great thing about this too. You can be unique. Well, you know, nobody loves the needling process,
Right.
so I try to get it through as easy as we can. So, digestion point, that's for that. The rest of these I'm doing on the abdomen, we call them ashi. They're just a painful spot. Again, just needling around the scars just to try to help with adhesions, keep blood flow there, testing out the numbness. So. This side tends to be is worse than the other, so it gets more attention. So pinching, a couple of things, it helps distract. Also, I get more of the needle in the muscle, and you know, you can use less needles.
Always learning something here.